we're down here in the floor drain now, and there's a blockage pretty close right in here. Can't get very much further than that. See how pull this back a little, the pipe is obstructed there. And we got some standing water. This is just a few feet in. Floor drain. See here. And the clean out. I also went over here to this laundry clean out area. Get the camera off there. And this was plugged up. Just a couple of feet inside here. There's a lot of lint built up in here. It comes in here to this bathroom drain. But you can see this arm comes down from the laundry tub. So there's a lot of lint buildup in this line here. So this is going to need to be snaked and cleaned out. And then this floor drain back here in the main area. It's got a lot of sediment buildup inside there. And I can't get down there very far, so this is going to need to have a grinder, descaler in here to clean all that out. The last area I didn't open up, but this is the main stack here. There's a clamp on there. I just left that alone on a 3-inch line there. Usually those break. So, but that's my recommendation, descaling on the floor drain and then running a snake all the way out here on this laundry clean out, because there's a lot of lint buildup in there. Probably about 75% blockage over there. And this one here, same descaling, 75% blockage on that.